my brother. This is my sister, brother, sister, and sister, and sister. I came straight to Louisville, like when I came to United States. I came straight to Kentucky and lived in Louisville for 6 years. And we moved to a place called Park Hill. The first 2 weeks, somebody broke our windows and stuff. I don't know why they did it and what we did for them to do that, but they did it. We as refugee, I never been in a situation where like people will come to your house and break your house and try to start things with you. I never been in that kind of situation before, even when I was in Africa.